Welcome and thank you for your interest in the Teatrx proposed co-managed services program. We don't just set up your AV systems and leave, we help protect your AV investment. Acting as an extension of your team, we ensure your systems run smoothly with proactive troubleshooting and quick remote resolutions. Our program is a comprehensive timeline that includes system updates, programming adjustments, infrastructure cleaning, remote monitoring, and collaborating with your team to plan upgrades and improvements for outdated components. While we can't monitor everything, we rely on your team to help flag any issues. We ensure the proper training of your staff to use our technology to keep everything operating at peak performance. Skip the call centers. Get direct access to our experienced tech support familiar with your AV setup. Using systems like Kramer and Cisco Meraki, we can provide remote management of devices for quick resolutions. Our Microsoft Teams support channel offers live chat with our staff without impeding productivity. Thank you for exploring the Teatrx Co-Managed Services program. Do you still have questions? Call or email anytime. From all of us at Teatrx. Thanks for watching!